Hello everyone, it's Siona from Honouring ME Crochet and your Hooked on Crochet Club, and this is a mini tutorial on the crab stitch. So the crab stitch is a stitch that I tend to use for borders. As you can see, I'm just adding this to a simple coaster. So it gives a nice sturdy or ridged edge to your make, and I find it handy to use if you want a simple border on the edge of a blanket that gives it a bit more definition than a single crochet. So it's a very simple stitch. It can take a little bit of getting used to making it, but essentially if it's a backwards single crochet, or if you use UK terms, it's a backwards double crochet. So when you make the stitch, you're going to, the difference between them is instead of working towards your yarn hand, you're going to work towards your hook hand. So to make the stitch, we're going to work to the right, because I'm right-handed, so we're going to work towards the hook hand. So normally I would work that direction, so we're going to work in this direction. So we're going to just pull the loop over a little bit. We're going to insert the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So we've now got 2 loops on the hook. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through those 2. And that's the crab stitch. So just to show again, we're going to insert the hook and yarn over. I tend to just put the hook over for the yarn over and then just pull up the loop. So you've got 2 on your hook, then yarn over and pull through both. And that's the crab stitch. Okay.